Hi and welcome to this week's Tech TV. I am Jordan Langford from Barton Technology, your local IT experts, and today I'll be showing you how to configure your hosted Exchange account. So let's begin. First off, we need to access the mail settings in the control panel to configure the account. So to do this, simply select the Start button, choose Control Panel, and select the mail icon. Now once in there, you'll be presented with three options. We just need to select Show Profiles. This will give you the list of profiles that are configured on your machine. Now you may already have a profile configured, but that is not a problem. We can configure alternative accounts and you can have up to as many as you'd like. So we just need to select Add, give it a profile name. So for this I'm going to call it Hosted Exchange and hit OK. Next you'll be presented with a screen. As it's a hosted Exchange account, we need to manually configure the settings, so please select Manually Configure Server Settings. Hit the Next button, and then select the option for Microsoft Exchange or Compatible Service. Then hit the Next button again. Then you'll be asked for the server and username details. The first bit of information we need to enter is the server record, which is simply mail.hostedmailbox.com. And then secondly, your username. Now this will be the email address for your account. So for my example, it'll just be test@barton-demo.co.uk. Before moving on, we just need to configure some more settings. So just click the More Settings window. And in this window, just choose the Connection tab. Now what we need to configure is this portion, Outlook Anywhere. So tick that box there and choose Exchange Proxy Settings. That'll open another window, and again we just need to enter a few bits of information. So the first text box here, we just need to put mail.hostedmailbox.com, and we then just need to tick this box here and type the following information. So it's msstd:/mail.hostedmailbox.com. We then need to change the proxy authentication settings. So if you just change that to basic authentication, select OK, apply those settings and select OK again. And now in order to confirm that we have the right settings, we just need to hit check name. Now this may take a couple of seconds and your Outlook may become non-responsive. That is absolutely normal. Please just leave Outlook to do its thing, and eventually we should be given a username and password window. So we'll just wait for that to happen there. Now as you can see in my example here, I haven't been presented with the username and password field. That is not a problem. We may need to just enter that information the first time we open up Outlook. So what you need to do now is just hit Next and select Finish. In order to ensure that you are going to open up your hosted Exchange account, if you have multiple accounts, just make sure that you have changed this option here so it will open up your hosted Exchange account. Apply that and hit OK, and then you can close the control panel. Then what we need to do is just open up our Outlook application to access the account. Now this may take some time on its first initial startup. That is purely because we haven't accessed the account before and it just needs to communicate with our Exchange server. So we'll just let this process happen. As you can see now, Outlook is preparing the mailbox for its first use. This will take a couple of seconds just to get the ball rolling, and you'll be presented with your Outlook application. As you can see at the bottom, sorry, just hit the mic there. As you can see at the bottom right hand corner, you can see that Outlook is trying to connect to the Exchange. So we'll just wait for this to confirm that it's connected to the Exchange. As you can see there, Microsoft Exchange is now connected to our Outlook client. And that's about it. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget to email us at support@bartech.co.uk if you have any questions. Please let us know what you think of this episode in the comments below. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, read our blog, or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. See you next time on Tech TV, brought to you by Barton Technology, passionate about your uptime.